Okay, so I had to show you this new slim laundry basket that has just been perfect for us. Now it came nicely packaged, and as you see, you are able to go ahead and collapse it all the way down and slip it really anywhere. It's not going to take up any space. Putting it together is super easy. You just use the poles that were included on to go ahead and stand up one of the four corners, and then just slide the wheels on, lock them in with the little screw that is sent, and you are done. The inside of the assembly was super easy as well. Just go ahead and twist the poles together, and as I stated, put one in each corner. You just kind of prop it in there, and just like that, your laundry basket stands. Now, I was a little worried. I didn't know if it was going to be secure and stay like this, but I have not had one problem out of it. So what I like most about it is that it has a top that closes down, so no one that is in the area that your laundry basket is in is going to see like all your dirty clothes there. And also it is narrow. I have a smaller type bathroom. I don't need a laundry basket that takes up a lot of space. And look how seamlessly and easily it rolls. So if you're in the market for a new laundry basket and you are loving this style, I have found the perfect one for you.